Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by readying the taser and confirming charge. This avoids wasted attempts. Once ready, hold the aim button and line up the reticle inside 5 meters. The taser has a tight effective range. Fire a single short burst to trigger the 0. 5-second stun. Keep observing the animation so you don't move prematurely. If you need to reposition, step back while the taser cools, then repeat the aim-fire sequence to secure the first stun and set up the follow-up. Once you've landed the first stun, you'll want to chain it into reliable damage. You time the second discharge in the enemy recovery frames to extend incapacitation, then move in quickly. Make sure you trigger pounce or a melee within 1.5 seconds for a guaranteed takedown. Also, maintain aim. If you stop holding aim, the lock-on can drop, forcing a reset. So keep steady, alternate brief bursts with movement, and use upgrades that shorten cooldown for smoother combos. You finish encounters by using the stunned window for a quick melee or throw. This conserves taser charge for other foes. If the taser seems ineffective, make sure the charge meter is sufficient, confirm you're within range, and check for status effects on targets that block stuns. Those are common causes of failure. If problems persist, upgrade battery capacity and aim stability to reduce cooldowns and misses. With those final checks, you close fights reliably and return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.